Life in charge. A BMW charging account gives you access to one of the most extensive networks for public charging. Setting it up is super easy. Your BMW charging card comes with your new fully electric or plug-in hybrid BMW. Simply start the registration with your My BMW app and a connected BMW. Under Charging, select Charging Wallet. And for BMW Charging, get a contract to get started. Your BMW is automatically recognized, and your tariff options are shown, including applicable special offers. Choose what suits your driving and charging habits best from the attractive BMW Charging AC, DC, and high-power charging conditions. Now fill in your remaining personal details. Continue to find your account type and provide your preferred means of payment. Almost there. Now assign your BMW charging card to your new account and activate it by entering the RFID code from the back of your card. Time for a final check. All good? Confirm the contract activation. After a short waiting time, you can use your BMW charging account to authenticate at public charge points. Check out our other videos, how to go about public charging, activate and use plug and charge, and about using the charging wallet to manage multiple charging accounts.
You bought the ultimate driving machine. Good for you. Now let's make sure you're using all of it. Tap one of these videos to unlock the full potential.